So I know it's been a while, but today I decided to get my BMW E28 project inside to give it some well-deserved love.
Hi friends! Today I'm finally going to continue working on my 5 Series project, and I'm going to start by replacing the timing belt, because the last time it's been replaced is about 10 years ago and the car has been installed ever since, but the belt has probably dried out, so I'm going to replace it with a new one. I think I gotta remove these coolant hoses before I can take the belt off, so I'm going to let the coolant out first. That was kind of scary, because look at this, but we did it, yay!
I then removed the 2 coolant hoses and the ignition to get to the timing belt cover.
We can now see the timing belt right here. Now let's get these wires and these other 2 belts out of the way. Okay, so I've loosened these bolts, but I still can't move the dynamo, so I'm going to remove the air filter box as well, so I can have a better look at what's going on.
Turns out I just wasn't strong enough to move the dynamo by hand and I needed some leverage.
Almost forgot, but before I remove this belt, I'm going to remove this bolt. I should really get an action cam, because it's super hard to film everything, but I'm just releasing the bolts that keep the pulley in place. Okay, I'm kind of stupid. I should have loosened these bolts before taking this belt off, but yeah, let's get it done the hard way now.
By the way, with the hard way I meant just using 2 wrenches to loosen the bolts. Turned out not to be too hard after all, so besides the unnecessary effort, it didn't cause any further trouble. And after removing the pulley I just showed you, I removed the timing belt cover.
Okay, now that we've gotten to the actual belt, I'm going to put this bolt back in, and then we're going to turn the engine until the markings line up. Okay, so both marks line up perfectly now. It's kind of hard to show you, but there's one right here and right here. And at the bottom, they line up perfectly as well. I hope you can see this, but now it's time to take off the belt. So I just removed the old belt and now it's time to install a new one.
So I totally forgot to mention it, but I did turn the engine a few rounds to check if I installed the belt properly before reinstalling the older parts. Everything seemed to be fine, so I just started installing all the parts again in the reversed order.
Now it's time to install the last part. Now let's fill up the engine oil. Just kidding, it's coolant. Now I'm gonna fire up the car and see if it explodes.
Like a pig.
Wat een paal!
So can someone please help me? I'm having trouble with this car stalling, mostly when idling or driving at low RPM. This problem only occurs when the engine is cold, and after driving it for a while it just keeps running if I pull my foot off the gas. I also recorded it to show you, so please let me know if you have any idea what might be the problem.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!